Welcome to the RoVENT 10 tutorial, where you will install and register your device. Start by running the file setup.exe and follow the instructions on the screen. This launches the registration window in RoVENT 10. Every user must register online so we can maintain a common database of RoVENT 10 users worldwide. After registration, you will receive your personal product key by email from our automated server. This product key is associated with your device. Let's go through this step by step. Congratulations! You have successfully installed RoVENT 10. If you wish to run RoVENT 10 on another device, you need to repeat these steps using that device to obtain another unique product key for it.